Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, nako, excited ako. So I'm gonna react to Good Day New York performance and interview with Beanie. So kanina lang to nakita ko sa isang post sa TikTok. So pumunta agad tayo syempre sa YT para mapanood ng buo yung performance niya and interview. Akalain mo yun, di ba? Um, Second time nila to sa New York, then first time nila mag-concert, then first time din nilang may interview sa isang TV show. So, ayun, I'm so excited and happy na finally, di ba, step by step, um, palapit na sila ng palapit doon sa ini-aim nila na um, global scene na makapag-perform, makilala sila, and madala nila yung Pinoy pride, 'di ba? So ayun, then let's go. I'm excited.
They are taking over the P-pop scene in the Philippines and making international wave singing sensation Beanie ready to bring their vibrant energy to the global stage.
Fresh off a performance at MSG's theater, they're ready to light up the Good Day stage. Here's Beanie with
Okay. Wala lang. I'm so happy and I'm so happy for Bini, 'di ba? Ibang stage na yung sinasayawan nila, kinakantahan nila yung performance nila. And happy rin ako kasi 4, 6, 8. Nandiyan si Aya kasi parang kanina sa parade, wala siya dahil masama daw yung pakiramdam niya. I don't know kung nauna to or mas nauna yung parade or nagpahinga pa siya muna para makasama siya dito sa, I think umaga to. Kasi nga, morning sa kanila, di ba? Yung show is a morning show. So, makikita natin it's 9:32 a.m. So, yun.
the single Blink Twice.
Um, rinig na rinig yung mic nila. Though may backtrack siya, rinig na rinig yung mic niya. Talagang maririnig mo yung bawat kaluskos dun sa bawat boses na lumalabas dun sa mic. Pati yung kaluskos ng galaw nila. So,
I heard it through the grapevine, trying my best not to step up on your limb, but let's have some fun with it, cause you know I'm running it. I'm lost inside your world, you got that super you feel like the great space, I know it. Baby, I know I'm trying, it's not another day. Let me give us the face, I think you're like a big twist alone. Got me going crazy, baby, no don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me.
wala. Ang galing din talaga nila. Live siya, live, guys. So, parang hindi sila napapagod, pero okay lang yun. Doon pa rin yung boses nila. Grabe, kahit kaluskos ng galaw ng paa nila, rinig na rinig sa mic. So, hindi ka pwede mag-lip sync yan. Kasi halatang halata. Though may backtrack siya, pero rinig mo yung original voice talaga nila. So, ayun. Bini, talagang palapit na ng palapit Um, Maganda yung kalalabasan nung um, concert nila, world tour nila sa US. Kahit na nakita naman natin yung ibang venue or ibang um, area dun sa world tour nila is hindi pa siya sold out. Pero ang pinaka main um, goal talaga is ipakilala yung yun. So with this interview and performance, mas lalong lalawak pa yung reach nila, and I hope na makahatak pa sila ng ibang blooms, di ba? Kasi yun naman yung goal nila eh. Kaya sila nag-world tour. Pakilala yung Beanie World Stage and to to um, to make impact sa global stage. So ayun. And I hope magtuloy-tuloy na siya.
Baby, it's just looking at me. He's not even thinking about me. That means you don't like me. Baby, just looking at me.
Yes, Beanie.
Yes, Beanie.
Woo!
Thank you, ladies. Blink Twice is the new single.
Yes.
Following up your big hit, Cherry on Top. Thanks for joining us here on the Good Day stage. You guys, how was performing at the MSG Theater on Saturday?
Oh, Madison Square?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So, ayun, nakalimutan ni Joanna yung mic niya. So, ayan. Nakakatuwang tingnan yung mga girls, no? Excited sila at the same time. Feeling ko kinakabahan kasi syempre first time. Pero, carry nila yan. Carry nila yan.
Yes, we call it MSG. Sorry, Madison Square Garden.
Yes, Madison Square Garden. Just hearing those words, it felt surreal, and we felt our supporters, their love. We just felt it online, and now we get to feel it in person. So we're just really grateful.
Do you want to introduce yourselves?
Sure.
Okay.
2, 3, mabuhay!
Hi everyone, I'm Aloy.
Hey everyone, I'm Aya. Hi, good morning. I'm Stacy.
I'm Gwen.
Hi everyone, it's Mika.
Hi, I'm Sheena.
I'm Joanna,
And I'm Colette.
and we are Beanie.
I love it. So, what do you want to tell your Bloom fans out there? Because I'm sure they're exhausted from seeing you at MSG last night, and then there was the
Nakita niya si Sheena, binibigay niya na agad yung mic kay Mika. So, parang, as expected, si Mika, Aya, or si Joanna yung sasagot sa mga interviews. Pero, kaya naman nilang i-explain yung self nila eh. Kasi, kaya nila namang dalhin yung English eh. Diba? Nakakapagsalita sila ng maayos, ng maganda, naiintindihan naman nila yung mga sinasabi nila. So, ayun.
Filipino parade, right? You had a busy day. Was it your first time in New York? No.
Our second time, yes. But first time having a concert.
Oh, that's
Yes, we had
nice.
so much fun, and we were able to see all the Filipinos here and seeing them very united. It's just very heartwarming, and I'm just very proud to be a Pinoy, and everyone, I'm sure, are too.
Any meaning behind the name Beanie?
Oh, the name Beanie comes from the Filipino word Bini-Bini, which means young lady. And we hope to represent the modern Filipinas. And we are passionate for bringing the Filipino music to the world stage. Yes.
And also, this is your first English album, right?
Yeah.
Wow, what was that like? Does everybody speak English well, or?
Oh,
Yeah, we do understand
I
and
hope
speak
so.
English.
Yes, and then the global stage. World.
So, nakapunta na sila ng London, Dubai. Syempre, sasagot nila sa US yan, North America. So, nag-Toronto na sila and New York pa lang. Tama. Susunod nila Washington, Dallas, Texas. Marami pang iba. So, feeling ko it's Toronto. Toronto yung mas ano eh. I think walang pipiliin si Aya. Kasi dalawa pa lang naman yung pupuntahan nila sa North America.
Well, we've been to Canada, and we've been this is our first here in North America,
Yeah.
and our second time in New York City. But we're just so excited for this whole tour because
Ang ganda ni Aya. Tsaka pag nagsalita siya, parang confident siya since mas fluent siya sa English than Filipino, Tagalog, or mas comfortable siya sa English. And since nasa New York sila, need niya mag-English. So, ayun, kaya minsan sila rin ni Mika yung pipiling sumagot sa mga interviews kasi mas sila yung fluent. And at the same time, lahat naman sila kaya nilang sumagot.
it's really our first that we've been doing this, that we got to do this world tour. It's gonna be exciting for us, kind of scary too because it's our first. But we just hope that we form blooms all over.
Well, enjoy your time here in New York. Thank you for making your debut here on Good Day.
Thank you also for having us.
Thank you.
Beanie.
All right, everybody. Meanwhile, coming up, we're bringing flavors from around the world.
So, yun guys, I'm just really happy for being, kasi step by step, slowly but surely, papunta na dun sila dun sa ini-aim nila na global denomination. Tama. Global domination. And, ayun, first step is nakapag-concert sila, ang daming sumuporta sa kanila. Second is eto, nakapag-perform sila sa isa sa mga TV show sa North America, sa New York. And isa siyang platform na talagang magagamit mo para lang makilala ka ng mga tao, kumbaga makahatak ka ng viewers. So, ayun, I'm just really happy for Beanie and sana magtuloy-tuloy. And let's support them, guys. Stan Beanie. Paano ba yun? Yan. So, yun lang.